Howdy y'all, I got a weird one here today. This is a Sony Clie. It was advertised as a personal entertainment organizer, but basically what it is a PDA. You just kind of flip this guy open here and boom, got a PDA. It's got a keyboard, it's got a screen, and it comes with a stylus. Some of the buttons on it are interesting. It's got like a jog wheel here and like some buttons there. And there was also support for the memory stick format. Yeah, this one was Sony's SD kind of similar thing. I wasn't necessarily a big fan of it because of how proprietary it was, but I have a 128 megabyte card here. Don't know what's actually on it. In fact, I haven't even turned this thing on yet, and currently it can't turn on because I took out the battery that wasn't really working for it. But that's okay, I got a new one, so we'll throw this thing in there, turn it on, see what's on the device, and take a general tour. Thankfully, there's not a lot of disassembling we're gonna be needing to do today. Very long tape thing. I think this was supposed to help get the battery out. How does it want this? I'm assuming like this, and then it goes in? Okay, yeah, like that. In you go. Well, it made a little noise. I might need to remove the filter again because it's a little hard to see on this screen. Here, I'm also gonna turn off some of the lights. Okay, it wants me to remove the stylus and try tapping on there, I guess. Tap anywhere to continue. Hello? Well, it doesn't really seem to be responding. What if I try charging it? I mean, I like the sounds it's making. Well, that's a little bit concerning that it's not allowing me to tap to continue. Well, given that the touchscreen isn't working, I guess it's time for me to start troubleshooting this. Let's take that battery out and we're gonna start disassembling this device. Well, back is removed. Well, it makes it a little bit easier to take the battery out now. Let's see if we can figure out what exactly is the touchscreen on this. Sure are a lot of ribbon cables here. Realistically, that's about as far as I'm kind of willing to go. Let's just try reseating everything. These are some of the more difficult ribbon cables I've had to put back in. I wonder if me trying to put in the battery disconnected any of these. Oh, okay, yep. I guess me trying to put the battery in disconnected the touchscreen's wires. Well, might as well go through some of this. Okay, as long as you be asked to tap the center of the, yeah, tap there, okay. Tap here, and here, and here. Thinks it's 2003, it is very much not. I like when the solution to the problem I'm experiencing is just disassemble and reassemble. Ooh, isn't that a fun interface? Let's see what we got here. Photos, music, any sample movies? Nope. 0 on red. Okay, I'm thinking that this one was probably wiped. Oh wait, no, there's a sample picture. Ah, beautiful. I guess everything is supposed to be on that memory stick. This is a fun UI though. I guess is this for like quick kind of going to things? Okay, yeah, you go to your quick viewers. So see some of your quick apps. I'm guessing this is your contacts. Yep, contacts. Read almost any document. Ah, okay, so this is a document reader. And then what you got here? To-do list. Makes this a calendar. Yep, calendar. And an album. Wow, this thing has like you basically covered. Where's the memo? Okay, there we go. Oh no, that's demo. Well, let's see here. Can I get let's do memo pad. I had to really press on the keys in order to get that. That's wild. But hey, let's plug in this memory stick and see if there's anything on this. Any music? Okay, down music tracks. Movies? Nothing. Oh, so the Clié view is for all your stuff. So your photos, your movies, your documents and stuff too. Well, not much we can see on here. I might need to put my own music on here and try using this as like a music player, like a video player. Might be fun to try out. It does come with a headphone jack, so it might be a decent music player. Or there seems to be some documents on here, so I'm wondering if we can try to get access to that. Ah, okay, and this is like a little bit of a desktop interface. So let's go to documents and then let's do this one. Well, it's not the most intuitive to kind of get around here. We got some kind of like document thing here. Got a couple of PowerPoints. Can I view the PowerPoints? Research design, randomized control trials. Okay. Evidently, this was probably used by a teacher as a tool. Well, it's an interesting little tiny computing device, but we've definitely kind of come a long way with what we can do with one of these. But here, let me try putting some media on this. We can try using this as a media player real quick. Well, I have an update for y'all. So I tried putting music on this micro SD card. I then took it and put it inside this Memory Stick Pro Duo adapter, which I then put inside a Memory Stick Duo adapter, and then put that inside the Clié. And yeah, it like can see the micro SD card, and it can see the files that are on there, but I don't really want to like just use the files from the file explorer. So I'm gonna try hot syncing here with my X61. I don't think the touchpad works on this yet. I need to figure out the drivers on that. But yeah, this is a laptop that can kind of like turn into a tablet. So I'm trying to optimize for space so I can have stuff on here. Well, we are gonna need the Clié dock. We got this spaghetti mess. Clié, go. Well, it is charging it. Oh, oh, palm handheld. Ooh. Oh, yes. Oh, wait, no, okay. It wants to go to Windows Update to find it. Guess I need to go figure out what the hotsync stuff is. I found what I believe is the drivers online. I burnt it to this disk. So let's see if this will work. Oop, there we go. Yeah, installing, found new hardware. Go for it, buddy. Driver's not digitally signed. Yeah, I don't care. Go for it. Verified compatibility. You go, keep going. Come on. You know what they say about error messages, because I don't. Please let me know. Well, it says it's done. Do we have the Palm desktop now? There's so much bloat on this computer. I tried like installing the driver disk specifically for this laptop, hoping it would get like touchscreen back. But as you can see, the touchscreen is not currently working. So I'll need to figure that out later. Well, let's see what happens when I do this. Hello? Why is there so much stuff here? Okay, something connected. No, that's the Clié, that's the disk. Yeah, we got the drivers. Oh, 498, uh-oh. How, wait. Yeah, this should have installed Palm Desktop, because it looks like that's on this doodad. Hello, Palm Desktop. We don't need to register. No, I don't want that. How do I put music on you? Well, this is if I want to do all the to-do stuff. No, I don't want to do that. I want to put music on you. Do I need, is it not Palm Desktop? Oh, it's probably Sonic Stage. Man, I'm just gonna put all of this bloatware on this computer. I guess I could look up a tutorial on how to actually sync this over, but I'd rather struggle. Besides, they didn't have YouTube in whatever year this thing came out. Oh, hey, wait, there's a manual. Thank goodness it's all local. Oh, hello, Adobe. Read this first. Okay, how do I put music on you? Oh, I know. Find music. Take music with you. That's what I want. You can listen to music on your Clié by transferring the files from your computer. The data, okay, so it can do .mp3. Yeah, headphones, whatever. Transfer music from MP3 format, memory stick import, what? I need to set up memory stick import. Okay. I guess we have you somewhere on this. Well, there's MS export. Yeah, let's just click on a whole bunch of other buttons here real quick, see if we can try to find something that might help. I should also make sure this music is on my computer because this entire thing is probably gonna get wiped. So might as well just make sure I can copy my files over. Okay, we're gonna need a memory stick. So let's see here. You're gonna go back in here and you're gonna go back in here and you're gonna go back in here. Okay, I guess I have to restart my computer. Bye-bye. There's the sound. I'm like, where's the sound? What? What do you mean boom? As you can see, this should be faced the other way, but I have to have it the other way around in order for this to make sense. Memory stick export. I hope this is the tool it wants me to use. Huh? All right, we're looking for it again. Music. Oh wait, no, okay. You can transfer music files you want using Sonic Stage or Music Stick Export from your computer. So Music Stick Import is on this. Music Stick Export is on this. Oh, I need to put the memory stick in there? Oh, all right, sure. You know, I haven't really had much luck trying to get memory stick stuff to work with these readers, but who knows? Maybe it'll be a little bit better since the machine's older. Can you read it? Hello? Okay, well, what if we try an actual genuine card? No? And well, this thing ain't working. So what if I open up this period correct card reader instead? I think it says from 2006 or something like that. Ooh, Adobe Photoshop album starter. What? Is there a CD in here? Well, I guess we're about to find out. Oh, this plastic is terrible. Where am I? Here are my scissors. If this doesn't work, I'm gonna be so upset. Oh, there is a CD. Look out, it's got, wait, where? Look out, it's got the transfer button. What's it say? Stop first install application. Oh, gosh, I guess I do need to install some software. Oh, USB-B. Sure, let's just put some more bloatware on here. Oh, well, I probably should have ejected that first. Oh, well. Bloatware, ahoy! Select the install.exe file and do the instruction. Okay, yeah. Maybe you want to be plugged in? Oh, okay, it's finding it actually this time. I'll put this in here now. Ooh! Oh, oh, hey, I can actually read this. Cool, I finally have something that can read stupid memory sticks. All right, well, now that we got this, let's see here. Yeah, no, there is one. Let's, I guess, reopen you. Oh, select drive, okay. You don't see the drive. Okay, let's just open Sonic Stage. Driver disk, back in you go. Oh, come on, the installation process has been terminated. What? Give me Sonic Stage. I can't believe I'm saying that, but give me Sonic Stage. Nope. Okay. What if I do the normal guy here? And then let's unplug and plug that in. So we, yeah. Ooh, wait. I wonder if this is kind of like the path that it's looking for. Let me just try putting one MP3 file on here. The track is unavailable for the following reasons. It's right protected or does not support copyright. Okay. Well, I think I found the path it needs to be in. What if we plug this in here? Okay, we'll put the files here. Maybe they just need to be in a different directory. What's weird is it's saying that the media stick is only 2 gigs when that's a 4 gig card. What does this think it is when it's plugged in? Yeah, no, it sees this 3 gigs here. Okay, now the file system's correct on that. Properties. Okay, well, I mean, let's try putting one of the other sound files on there. Back in you go. Well, I seem to have frozen it. I wonder if the MP3 encoding on it is just not good. Okay, and there it goes. Well, I think I'm gonna need to get Sonic Stage installed. Thinking I'm gonna need to use it that way. For now, we're just doing another Sonic Stage. Okay, let's just try installing it this way. Even though this looks exactly the same. And this looks exactly the same. Ooh, okay, this got farther. If I can get just one album on here, I'll be satisfied. Clié? I think I gotta plug the Clié in. Yep, gotta plug the Clié in. Hello, do you see the Clié? Oh, I think the Clié's frozen. Hold on. Oh, 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 it's doing a thing. Oh, it's doing a hot sync. Oh. What do you mean device not recognized? Come on, find it. We're getting so close. I'm going to get the music on here. Oh, music. That's the type of MP3s I can play. So minimum is 32 kilobytes to maximum 320. Well, I looked at the files and it meets the minimum specs. So I'm going to try just converting a file to a track, putting on that. Let's see if it plays. It's got me curious now though. How big are these files? So let's see here. When it's an MP3, it is 10.3 megabytes. When it's an A track, it is 5.9. Okay, so it's less, which means it'll probably sound worse, but also means I could probably fit more on there. So it wants me to be in the audio player, tap options, then transfer. Options transfer. Okay. Ooh, it sees it this time. Ooh, found new hardware. Oh, this might be it. I believe that was successful. It sees it, no title, but if I put on my headphones and plug it in, okay, do I have audio now? Oh, it works! I now have a music player. I mean, I see why this didn't really take off like the iPod did, because oh my gosh, trying to get this all to work was not great. But I mean, if this is all you had back in the day, and honestly, the A track's not that bad. It also seems to play out of the speaker as well. Well, I guess I should probably put some other music on here real quick so y'all can actually hear it. Well, it's not showing the titles, but let's see if I can play a little bit of music. Yeah, it's got this little speaker here on the back, and that's what we're hearing. So it works as a media player, and with headphones, that might actually not be that bad, but I'll have to figure out how to get the titles and stuff fixed. And I know people are going to ask me to play this on it, so... I plan on doing a little project soon where I go through a bunch of different media players, and this is going to be one of them. So at the beginning of 2026, I'm going to start on a little 10-week experiment. So if you want to see the end result of that, you know where to find me. Anyway, that's going to be it for now. So long, y'all.